have 1 cucumber and 5 minutes. You can make this Asian cucumber salad. It's so fast and easy and so delicious and the perfect way to use up a leftover cucumber. I washed my cucumber. The first thing I'm going to do is just cut it in half, and I'm not going to dirty a cutting board for this. Next, I have a vegetable peeler, and I'm just going to start peeling the cucumber into nice little ribbons, just like this. So you just like that. Just lengthwise along the cucumber. Now you can do the whole length of the cucumber. I just find the pieces are a little bit too long. All right, now we're gonna make our quick and easy dressing, which just is made from a bunch of pantry ingredients. It's actually gonna be gluten-free as well because I'm using tamari instead of soy sauce. So 1 tablespoon of tamari or soy sauce. Just add that into a bowl. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. And then 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And 1 little teaspoon of pure maple syrup. You can use agave or whatever you like, any kind of sweetener instead. This is just what I have. Adds a really nice flavor. Let's mix that up. And then we're just gonna add it on, and we're gonna add like 2 toppings, and then it's ready to go. So fast and easy and so delicious. I love this salad. All right, now I am just gonna pour the dressing right onto the cucumber ribbons. It smells amazing. And then for toppings, if you want, you can add about a teaspoon of just hot chili oil. Yum. I'm just gonna mix this up to combine it. And I'm just gonna sprinkle about a teaspoon of sesame seeds on top. If you want to toast the sesame seeds, that's great, but if not, just regular sesame seeds on top work perfectly. And if you don't have sesame seeds, the everything but the bagel seasoning tastes so good on here too. All right, now with this, it does not keep in the fridge. This is definitely one of those things you're gonna wanna eat right away. You're gonna wanna serve right away. You don't wanna leave it to marinate in the fridge because it can get a bit watery and it's not as good. So just serve it right away. This makes 4 very small servings, like a small, tiny little appetizer, tiny little side dish. Usually my husband and I will just crush this like quite easily between the 2 of us as just a little salad, snack, appetizer, what have you. Right, it's time for the taste test. Oh, yummy. So good. This is one of my favorite salads. The fact that it only takes 5 minutes to make and it tastes this good, I love it. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to make this easy Asian cucumber salad. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.